Introduce highlight features and overview of DEXILIO 64GB digital voice recorder. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Adopts dual upgraded noise-cancelling microphones with professional recording chip. Capture up to 3072 KB premium quality sound. Voice recorder with playback function, which is well designed for the users to easily access. Stores 4,600 hours of recording, or 20,000 songs, up to 50 hours of continuous recording with full battery. Recording can be preset into MP3, 128 KB 192 KB, or WAV up to 3072 KB format. A wonderful voice recording device for lectures, meetings, and conversations. This mini recorder device can set voice decibels at 5 different levels. Regardless the level of the volume, with correct voice decibel level, this recorder will catch talking voice only, reduce blank and whispering snippet. DEXILIO V5 can easily transfer files onto computers. A rechargeable voice recorder that can be quickly recharged, suit for students, teachers, seniors, business people, writers, and bloggers. Recordings with timestamp, easy to find out when you recorded, what it recorded. Multi-usage as a voice recorder, an USB flash drive, and a MP3 player. Many other helpful features like password protection, AB repeat, auto record, bookmark, smart battery detection. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.